Hey, how's it going, everyone? If you're new to the channel, my name is D, and I represent New Touch Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door handles from this Infiniti Q70L. If you want to learn how to do so, stay tuned. All right, welcome back. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front and the rear door handles from this vehicle. Now they both remove the same, but when it comes down to the front and the rear, it's kind of different. The front has a little bit more attached to it. If you look at it, you'll see that there are areas that's different, such as this lock, and then you have this button here, and then you go to the rear, you don't have that. So it's gonna be easier with the rear versus the door on the front. So we're gonna go ahead and open our front door and our rear door. Show you how to access that T25 bolt that's inside. So you have a rubber grommet here and you have it on the rear. Go ahead and remove our rubber grommet. We'll sit it inside the vehicle. Inside this hole, there's a T25 screw. Once you unloosen that, just be careful. You don't want it to fall to the bottom of the door because we don't have to take off the door panel to do this. You drop that screw in there, you're gonna have to take that door panel off. So do this with ease and take your time. Now on the rear, you have the same setup. You have that hole and that T25 screw is inside there. So let's go ahead and start with the front door. Go ahead and remove our screw. Since this is the hardest one, we'll get this one out the way first. Once you loosen your screw, you'll notice that this piece will come off first. So once you see that it's loosened, there's no need to really screw out anymore. Like I said, you don't want to lose that screw inside the door. Once you remove this one, you'll be able to take out seems that this piece will detach also. This is the cover and this is the lock. So you remove that. As you pull it out, you have connections. You take your door out, lift up, and you pull that way. Once you lift up that way, you'll be able to pull the door through. Now, in order to remove this, you have to unscrew this panel here and detach the connections here, which is the light and this button here. And all of that will detach and you'll be able to remove your handle. You got a Phillips head screw here. You're gonna go ahead and remove that. And this plate comes off. Once you pry that off, you'll be able to remove this plate here. And on the back side, you have the light, then you have this button here. Go ahead and separate these. Go ahead and pull this through. And the light comes out also. This piece here, you will have to pry open. I'm using the plastic tool because it's glued down actually. So double side tape. Once you remove that, you have your handle off. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the rear door. Now with the rear door, this piece will remove first, and then your handle will remove second. To remove your handle, you'll pull up and yank back to your right. And then it'll be able to come out easily. back side, we're gonna go ahead and go inside. For some reason, this here screw is a T30. All the other ones are T25, but maybe somebody replaced it, I'm not sure. But we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Lift up, you'll feel it loosen up. Take this piece out, to the side, remove your screwdriver, and then this handle, and you pull out. And their latch is here. You'll feel the latch inside the door. And that's the rear door. Now that concludes the end of the video. For those who have subscribed, I appreciate y'all. And those who haven't, please feel free to do so. Hit that subscribe button down below. Now these door handles aren't too bad to take off. It's not so hard. All you need is confidence and the right tools to do so. Thank y'all for checking out this video, and oh yeah, be on the lookout for the wrap on this vehicle. Almost finished up, so stay tuned for that. Thank y'all for watching.